Well, most of the gadgets on this channel have been retro gaming consoles. This one is Ninja Creami. I think it's the Creami Deluxe. That's the thing. Anyway, these are the dessert tubs. It came in a kit, so you get 3 in the box and then 4 in this box. So I think I'll unbox these first, then we'll get into the big box. Right, these are quite a lot bigger than I was expecting. So you should be able to make quite large desserts in that. Max fill line, so you can get desserts up to there. I'm not going to unbox all. Yeah, different colours. So put that back in there. And we'll get onto the machine itself. Gets good reviews this everywhere on the sell out. Son's actually waiting for a Ninja slushy machine, but they're always out of stock. So I'll take it out of this big box first and then we'll get back to it. So the box inside is almost as big. So on the front we've got, let me just sit down. We've got a picture of the Ninja machine. What you get in the box, 3 tubs like I said before. I wonder if they look anything like this when we've made them. So apparently you just fill, freeze, process and enjoy. Now this period takes 24 hours. So you're not enjoying them straight away. You can mix in whatever you want. Like any Ninja product, there's probably already loads of websites out there with recipes for this machine. So what have we got on this side? Ninja Creami 7 one-touch programs. So you can make ice cream, sorbet, light ice cream, smoothie, milkshakes and gelato. And this shows you how this top bit goes together. Well, actually this is going to be the bottom bit, isn't it? It goes in there. And then at the bottom we've got, personalise it with what you can add to whatever ingredients you've got. I'm assuming that all these parts can be replaced as well from the Ninja website. They're very good with that. This side, how it works. So how you get the creamy textures. That'll be how this plunger works and the speed of rotation of those blades for the different types of ice cream and gelato and milkshake. So the front and back's the same. I bet the sides are the same. And on top, we have, don't know what to make first. No, I don't. Try one of these. So the recipes, there's a recipe guide in here where you can make these 3. So let's get into this box. So the best way in seems to be through here. We have a little envelope that has, what bad looks of it, recipe cards in. Product guide, quick start guide. I'll take that out because I'm going to need that answer soon. Ice cream maker recipes. Let's have a look what's in here. Oh, there's quite a bit more in there. The science of the Ninja Creami. Science behind. Quite straightforward instructions. Seems like most of these last 2 weeks before they pass the best buy date. And safety instructions. Anything else? No. Right, so I'm going to carefully try and get the machine out of here. Most of my videos are just one shot. Apart from where I've got a boring bit, I'll just pause the video and then restart it when I've gone past the boring bit. What's this? These these are ice cream pots again, like the ones I showed you before, so I'm not going to bother showing you those again. Put that off to one side. I think there's another one down here. No, that's literally just an empty packing box. Put that in there. This looks like some protection for the machine. So looks like we're getting to the machine now. Nothing exciting in there. Well, it doesn't look like there's going to be much assembly. Right, I'll get this out. So this is the machine out of the box. I don't know which way around it is yet. That's probably the back, isn't it? This bit off. I think it's been in a colder van, this, because it's coming to a warm house now and I'm getting condensation on the sides of it. This is one truth stuck on the sides. Yeah, this is going to need clean up afterwards. And on top, there is scan to discover more QR code. Don't know if that's just a sales website for Ninja's other machines. Just put that back and get a better view. There you go. Now I need to figure out how to remove this bit. And I'm guessing, oh, it's easier than I thought. They like this sticky stuff. I'm not keen on this. I'm sure there's better ways of packaging this. Feel here. See, that's much easier than the other stuff. Doesn't stick and nice and easy to get off. So, are the paddles in here? Yes. Let's see how easy this is to put together. Now, as you've seen from the packaging, to make one of these, it's going to take 24 hours. So that won't be in this video. I'll put another video up with how to make one of those recipes, freezing it overnight and then making the dessert up. So that'll be for another one. That's another ice cream bowl that will go in the fridge. Does this clip on here? It does. Paddle installation. Press and hold the latch on top of the lid. Remove the paddle. When fully installed, the latch will be centered and the paddle will be slightly loose. What? So does it mean put it in there? Get this up so you can see. So this opens that up. That's it. And then I'm assuming that this goes here. Right, let's see if I can just tilt this a bit, then you can see it better. Let's bring it in. You see this spindle here? Assuming that just puts on there. Should have read the instructions, shouldn't I? I'm assuming this has to face the front because that doesn't seem very secure. Latch. Just seem to just lock in though. And this line holder said it will lock. There must be a locking mechanism here. There. Right, so what I'll do, I'll leave the unboxing there and I'll come back tomorrow with a video where I go through all the instructions, make a dessert up, and we'll do a taste test of it. So if you want to see that, please like and subscribe and you'll get notified when that video's up. And thanks for watching.